This is a Wii. Now I'm gonna mod it like a real fucking genius would. Actually, I'm just gonna mod this anyway. I'm not like a fucking genius or anything. Well, what the fuck anyway? Well, this is a good Wii. The Wii's a good console, and I'd have to argue this Wii's like riddled with fucking shovel fucking wear. Alright. So, this is the Wii modding video that I'm making for no fucking reason. Here, I'm gonna say the word fuck multiple times. Not sure if it's gonna get me banned off YouTube. Anyway, Wii. I'm to fucking mod it.
Don't ask why, it's the Family Guy on Adult Swim.
Alright, so this here's the menu. As you can see, it is kind of more emptier than my other Wii. Do you want to know why? Because it's not fucking modded. Yeah, yes, it's not modded or anything. Take a look at this email application. It's more empty because this thing is Wii that I never use much, so yeah. So right now here I'm just performing a system update because my version is on 4.3U. I mean 3.4U instead of 4.3U. I'm gonna be doing the homebrewing wirelessly because I'm freaking lazy. I'm a motherfucker. So yeah, not gonna be using SD cards at the moment, but god damn it, why is this taking so long? Alright, so we're back. It finally updated after a little bit, so we're gonna be putting in the DNS address. So we have and now we do the same for the second DNS. Let's confirm. And then we save. Thank you, SDR2 hacks. Alright, connection going. Alright. I don't need a system update. I already updated it, bro. User agreements. No. Wait. I need to click yes or something. Alright. I must review the user agreements for using the Wii network services. Alright. Holy shit, it's My Little Pony. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's not bricked. Or else I'm gonna be fucked. Alright. I'll see. Oh, Jesus, it's working! Alright, it's working, it's working. It's working. Working. Working it. Oh, we got... This software must not be sold, neither alone nor as part of the bundle. Alright, man. Oh, crap. We were flashing crazy. Alright. Okay, it's not working, so... Alright. We're gonna... Continue. It's all home channel! Success. We're gonna exit. Exit. Kaboom, everybody! We homebrewed a Wii. Now let's install some mods. Alright. So, I finally got some of the mods. Most of them were on my, previous, most of the, mods I've, installed were on my previous, were on my, I mean, like I call it my good Wii. So, yeah, I got, like, a lot of things here, as you can see, yep. This here is, FCE plus GX, which is a, NES emulator. Locks out that one. I do have quite a few things modded. This here is multi-mod manager. So let's install some apps. What? WiiWare. Oh yeah, Dr. Mario Online R6. Oh, RX. Alright, install that. So what it's doing right now is installing a thing called a WAD file. It's like a Wii menu file. Alright, now let's do some where. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now we have 2 apps on there, so let's go.
Don't ask why, it's the Family Guy on Adult Swim.